Very cloudy and mist here in Niagara Falls. This is the Skylon Tower. You can't even see the top of it now. There's a mist cloud. This is a mirror. There's the tower right there. Now it's clear, but there's a mist cloud here in Niagara Falls. This is all mist. It's a mist cloud right there. A little farther out over there, you can tell. I know you can't tell in the video, but it's actually dry over there. This is the Skylon is going to get hidden in a second again. And there you go. The sun goes away. And there goes the Skylon Tower. And it's gone again. Look at that. That's pretty amazing.